Hello my friends, welcome Coffee and Reactions video channel. I am Mustafa from Turkey and today we are gonna watch one more Aska Yang performance and we are gonna watch one more time God-Given Voice. The title's translation is Pure Edition, Yang Zongwei, and I know that Yang Zongwei is Aska Yang. Yang Zongwei, Gem and original singer Wang Yuyu perform If the Moon Didn't Come with a unique crying tune and a tear-jerking rap, which directly maximizes the empathy on stage. God-Given Voice. Gem and Wang Yuyu. Okay, let's start.
风吹过山，
Let's go.
船靠了岸，风光呀，一点点看。我走向北，你去往南，故事呀，一片片翻。
Beautiful.
烦又加班到很晚，你搭上空荡的地铁已是末班。好烦，很爱却要分开，恋爱谈不明白。好烦，接近理想好难，却又还很不甘，不可拥抱平淡。如果最难得到圆满，不如选择坦然。
What an interesting and what a beautiful music. It is sounding very gentle again. I love that. It is sounding very gentle, very soft. Okay, maybe very emotional. It's feeling so beautiful. It's feeling very easy to listen.
若是月亮还没来，路灯也可照窗台，照着白色的山茶花微微开。
若是阵风还没来，晚风也可吹入怀，吹着那一滴树影温柔摇摆。
他的蓝牙音响几十块，循环播放着倒带。靠在走廊的窗台，正吃着微凉的外卖。一个一心留在上海，来自小镇的女孩，我该如何去描述她那怅然若失的状态？望着高楼林立的 CBD， 哪里是她的栖息地？合租的出租屋有几平米？她的生日有谁铭记？未来总是遥不可及，生活的压力可喘不上气。为何在如花似玉的年纪，经历那么多的不容易？懵懵懂懂的向前走，跌跌撞撞却不能撼透，不敢轻易的奢望爱情，也不能轻易的自我感动。月亮和你不懂，六便士到底多重？那辆通往故乡的大巴车又出现在他的梦，枕头被狠。
My friends, listening rap song with this melody, this is very interesting. I experienced this different feeling from Hua Chen-yu. He was singing a rap song with this kind of very soft melody also, and it is sounding very interesting. I always used to listen rap music with harsh music, harsh melodies, but with very gentle, very soft, very beautiful melodies with rap song, it is definitely feeling even more beautiful. I like that. Okay, so this gentleman is the owner of this song, right? He is the original of this song, original owner.
多重？那辆通往故乡的大巴车又出现在他的梦，枕头被狠狠地揪着，他的泪正流着。不知今年过了，明年是走还是留呢？朦胧月色掠过泪痕，他的面庞青涩。悠悠晚风吹过窗外，山茶花就开了。
Beautiful.
好烦，又加班到很晚，你搭上空荡的地铁已是末班。 好烦，很爱却要分开，恋爱谈不明白。好烦，接近理想好难，却又还很不甘，如何拥抱平淡？如果最难得到圆满，不如选择坦然。
若是月亮还没来，路灯也可照窗台，照着白色的山茶花微微开。
山茶花为你微微的盛开。
若是阵风还没来，晚风也可吹入怀，吹着那一滴树影温柔摇摆。
And I like that Aska Yang and Gem changing the tunes, changing the leading parts. Sometimes they are singing with high voice, sometimes they are singing with lower tones, sometimes they are going to the leads, and sometimes they are supporting each other. They are changing their roles in this performance, and it is so precious. I like that. Gem and Aska Yang and this rap singer, all of them are singing so beautiful.
若是月亮还没来，路灯也可照窗台，照着白色的山茶花微微开。若是晨风还没来，晚风也可吹不坏，吹着那一滴树叶温柔摇摆，
Beautiful.
吹着那一滴树叶温柔摇摆。
Beautiful. Beautiful. Very quality. Woohoo! I like that. And not only me, not only I like that, all of those people like this performance. So precious performance, so beautiful. What a beautiful melody, right? What a gentle music. And with that beautiful, gentle melody, hearing rap song, it was very different. It was very interesting. But I like that. I generally don't listen rap songs, not my style. But with this kind of music, I can listen rap songs easily. So beautiful. Aska Yang, Gem, and Wang Yuyu, they performed "If the Moon Didn't Come," and so beautiful, so precious performance. Thank you, my friends, for your suggestions. Thank you for offering me to watch more Aska Yang performances. I love to listen to him. I'm in love with his voice, with his quality voice. It's always pleasure for me to listen to him. Thank you for watching out with me. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself, and let's see you in the next videos. Bye bye.